Hello everyone, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review Numverify API provider. It provide API for validation phone numbers from all over the world. As you can see there are list of countries they support. So we are using our validation tool, which is on another website called allstatslookup.com. They provide free validation, unlimited, not free. They provide memberships, and you can check unlimited phone numbers in US. So if you need to use third-party APIs, they have another option called third-party tools, in which you can see there are a lot of tools, but in this video we are going to explore Numverify validation. So here you need to put your Numverify API, the list of numbers. When you click on validate, they will show you the results of each number by their carrier, network, and type. So what is Numverify? Numverify is basically a API provider which provides API key to validate data, a large number of data you can see. So I have already account with them. If you don't have, you can sign up for free account. So right now I am also using free account. So here you can see their plans. In free you have to pay nothing, but in starter plan, basic plan, you can see their pricing, monthly requests. As you can see, in $14 they will give you 5,000 monthly requests, which are nothing, as the Allstate lookup provide you unlimited checks for $35 for a month. uh, if you are validating phone number. If you have other lists, then you can go with this. So in our free API, we got 100 requests, mean we can check 100 phone numbers. So now we need to go to our account. As you can see, we are in our account. You can see our API usage of this month is almost zero. We have not checked yet any number. There are 100 requests we have in free plan, and this is our API key which we need to copy. So other than that, you can change your account settings. You can add payment method here if you want to use their API. Okay, so this is my API. If you think I accidentally public this, so you can reset it, as I will do after this video. So don't choose this one, or you have to create your own account. So we have copied the API key. Now we are going to check our list. So first we need to paste the API key. Once API key is pasted, now we need to add our list, which we need to check. For example, I am adding some numbers here and click on validate. As you can see, this number is invalid. This is also invalid. Why? Because I have not entered the country code. So I need to refresh it before I lose everything or cancel the process. Okay, so what we need to do with numbers, we have to add country code, otherwise it will went wrong. So we are adding +1 with all the numbers we have, and then we will paste our API key, which is this one. Then went back to this. Let's see what will be going to happen. Validate now. So as you can see, now it is working fine. So you need to add your country code in front of your numbers, otherwise it will won't detect the country and randomly start validation. So I think we have yes, so these are number done. These are the details which we need or which are the uh, required details. So as you can see, uh, this one is landline, this one is mobile, landline, and mobile, which means our list can includes two landline numbers and remaining four numbers are mobile. So as you can see, it's valid, and valid. If there is nothing, then it's mean the number is not valid. So you need to skip that number in your SMS companions. So this is how Numverify will work, and hope you will get a rough idea how things works with Numverify API. If you need the account of this website called Lookup, then you can simply go to their homepage and sign up for the membership. They provide different memberships, monthly, yearly, lifetime, as you want. So for testing their own validator, first we need to generate some numbers. Like we want to generate a list from Alaska. Alaska list has been generated. So we need to copy the list, then go back and validation, select Alaska, what kind of mobile number you needed, simply paste the list, click on validate, it will validate all the numbers for you. So this is how it will work.